Namaste and good evening to all. I am sincerely thankful to Rahul Jethi and the Australian India Business and Trade Foundation for inviting me to these star-studded celebrations. I wish to be present on this day, but due to COVID-19, I am unable to travel from Bharat, that is India. I wish the Trade Foundation all success and glorious future. I like therefore to place a few details of mutual interest. More than 600,000 Indians and people of Indian origin reside in Australia. This is 2.8% of Australia's population. India is ranked at third spot behind UK and China in terms of place of birth of migrants. More than 100,000 Indian students are also studying at various Australian tertiary institutions. A study of DNA has found that Indian people may have come to Australia around 4,000 years ago. In Australia, Indians are getting fair treatment in education, jobs, career, and business. They are shining in almost all areas thanks to the liberal attitude of Australians. India was Australia's 8th largest trading partner and 5th largest export market in the year 2018-19. Two-way goods and service trade with India was $30 billion in the year 2018-19. Australian Professor Dr. Arthur L. Basham of Australia National University, Canberra, was a scholar in history and Indian ancient language Sanskrit. He has written the book Wonder That Was India. This book has been reprinted 37 times. Popularity and practice of yoga in the Western world is highest in Australia. Over 2 million people are practicing yoga in Australia, making yoga as one of the most popular physical activity along with aerobics, basketball, bushwalking, cricket, cycling, and tennis. Sikhs migration began early in colonial history from 1830s. Today there are 125,000 Sikhs in Australia, mostly in New South Wales and Victoria. 25% of bananas produced in Australia are by Sikh farmers of New South Wales and Queensland. More than 80 Indian youth enrolled in the ANZAC, Australia New Zealand Army Corps, and fought and died for the glory of Australia and New Zealand during the First World War in 1914 to 1918. Indian doctors, engineers arrived in 1970s. Many doctors continue to practice in villages of Australia, thus contributing enormously to Australian rural healthcare. Indian engineers played a key role in building Warragamba Dam, which supplies water for the city of Sydney. Computer specialists in IT field came here in the 1990s. Their contribution to Australia in IT field and as chief financial officers is enormous. Now, Indians have excelled in most fields, including accounting and finance, building and construction, community activities, education, hospitality, information technology, law, medicine, real estate, as well as sports and cultural activities. There have been many Indian achievers. Akshay Venkatesh and Mathai Varghese are mathematicians of international repute. Tarani Mudaliar is an Australian actress, singer, and violinist. She is best known for her role portraying the fictional character Kamala in the Matrix Revolutions. Indira Naidu is an Australian author, journalist, and television presenter in SBS News, during which she covered the independence struggle in East Timor and the Balkans War in Kosovo. Lisa Sthalekar, born in the Indian city of Pune, is a former female Australian international cricketer. She was rated as the leading all-rounder in the world. She is the first international women cricketer to score 1,000 runs and take 100 wickets in international one-day cricket. Bhaktawar Singh, Bhakt Singh Samurai, is a Sikh wrestler who represented Australia at the Tokyo Olympic Games in 1964. Eric Pierce and Julian Pierce are Anglo-Indian brothers born in the Indian city of Jabalpur. They are among the finest hockey players to have represented Australia. Their names have been inducted into Sport Australia Hall of Fame. Lisa Singh is the first Indian Member of Parliament. She claims descent from the Rajputs. I am once again thankful to Rahul Jethi and the Australian India Business and Trade Foundation for inviting me to this star-studded celebration. I wish the Trade Foundation all success. Let me conclude by saying once again that Indians are getting fair treatment in education, jobs, career and business in Australia. They are shining in almost all areas thanks to the liberal attitude of the Australians. Jai Hind, Jai Australia, victory to Australia. Thank you.